Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately. Can you actually make money on Spocket? Now, before I dive into the details, let me just say that I'm not affiliated with Spocket in any way. I'm just here to share my honest thoughts and experiences with this platform. So, can you make money on Spocket? The answer is yes, but it's not as easy as some people might lead you to believe. There are a few things you need to understand before you get started. First, Spocket is a dropshipping platform. This means that you don't have to hold any inventory yourself. Instead, you simply connect your store to Spocket's network of suppliers, and they'll ship the products directly to your customers. This can be a great way to start a business without having to invest a lot of money upfront. However, it's important to remember that you're not the one selling the products. You're just acting as a middleman between the supplier and the customer. This means that your profit margins will be relatively thin. You'll need to find products that you can sell for a higher price than what you pay for them. Second, Spocket is not a magic bullet. It's just a tool that can help you build a dropshipping business. It's up to you to do the hard work of finding the right products, marketing your store, and building a customer base. Third, there are some risks associated with using Spocket. For example, you could experience supplier issues, such as product delays or quality problems. You could also face competition from other dropshippers who are selling the same products. So, is Spocket worth it? That's a question that only you can answer. If you're willing to put in the time and effort, it can be a great way to make money online. However, it's important to be realistic about your expectations. Now that I've given you the pros and cons of using Spocket, let's talk about some of the things you need to do to be successful. Choose the right products. This is probably the most important step. You need to find products that are in high demand and have low competition. You can use Spocket's search function to find products that meet these criteria. Build a strong brand. Your brand is what will differentiate you from your competitors. Make sure your website is professional and easy to navigate. Use high-quality product photos and descriptions, and create compelling content that will attract customers. Market your store. There are a number of ways to market your store, such as social media, email marketing, and paid advertising. Experiment with different methods to see what works best for you. Provide excellent customer service. This is essential for building trust with your customers. Make sure you respond to all inquiries promptly and professionally, and go the extra mile to resolve any issues that arise. Be patient. It takes time to build a successful dropshipping business. Don't expect to get rich overnight. Just focus on doing the right things and eventually you'll start to see results. So there you have it. The truth about making money on Spocket. It's possible, but it's not easy. If you're willing to put in the hard work, though, you can build a successful dropshipping business. With that said, thanks for watching. And until next time, happy dropshipping.